Hello everyone, I'm Zahra Fatima. Welcome back to my channel. This video is for Usmania University BCom Semester 1 students, and in this video I'm sharing with you the fast recap of last minute important questions for the subject BOM Business Organization and Management for your upcoming semester examination December 2024. So students, watch the video with full concentration because these questions are 100% important. Now first, long questions from unit 1, subject business organization and management. First is define sole trading concern, explain its features, advantages and disadvantages. Most important question. Second, define industry, explain types of industry. Third, what is business, explain its objectives, nature, scope and functions. And fourth one, define partnership, explain its features, advantages and limitations. So students, these four questions are very important, and from these four questions definitely you will get any two questions in your upcoming semester examination. So start your preparation from these four questions because these are very important. First is very important, define sole trading concern, explain its features, advantages and disadvantages. It's 100% important. And what is business, explain its objectives, nature and scope. That is also very important. Now unit 1 short questions. First is objectives of business, or maybe he will ask with you functions of business. These two objectives and functions are very important. And the social responsibility of a business, this is also very important. And the limitations of sole proprietor. And fourth one, types of partners. Fifth, commerce and its hindrances. Commerce and its hindrances is also very important. Now unit 2, first long questions. First is what is joint stock company, explain its features, advantages and limitations. This question is 100% important. Second, distinguish between private company and public company. This is also a very important question. And this question, distinguish between private company and public company, maybe he can ask with you in short bits also. Now third one, define company promotion, describe various steps in the process of the promotion. So three questions, and these three are very important. So students, start your preparation from these questions because these questions are very important. This is the fast recap of your last minute important questions, and definitely you will get from these questions. And unit 2 short questions, statutory company, article of association, prospectus, and fourth is statement in lieu of prospectus. So these four questions are very important. Statutory company is also important, prospectus is very important. First and third is most important for unit 2 short questions. And students, share this video in your friends WhatsApp group also because these questions are 100% important. Now unit 3 long questions. First, what is management, explain its features and functions. This is 100% important question. Explain Henry Fayol's 14 principles of management. This is also very important, 100% important. What is levels of management, explain its function. So three questions in unit 3, and these three are very important. And question number 1 and question number 2, definitely from these two questions one question you will get in your semester examination. So students, watch the video with full concentration because these questions are very important. Now unit 3 short questions, under that scientific management, then second management versus administration, then top level of management. These three questions are very important. And scientific management, this is very important. Management versus administration is also very important. Now unit 4 long questions, define planning, explain various types of plans, discuss the steps, objectives and benefits of MBO. Then what is planning, explain its advantages and limitations. So these are the three important questions from unit 4. So these three are very important. Question number 1 is very important, various types of plans, and what are the steps and objectives and benefits of MBO. This is also very important. And what is planning, explain its advantages and limitations. This is also very important. Maybe question number 1 and question number 3 combinedly he can ask with you in the examination. What is planning? Explain its types, advantages and limitations. Now unit 4 short questions first. What is accountability? Second, MBO, span of control, formal and informal organization. So 4 questions under unit 4 short questions. What is accountability? It's very important. MBO is also very important. MBO is important not only for short as well as long also. Now span of control is also very important. Now unit 5 long questions first. Define centralization and decentralization. Also explain the differences between centralization and decentralization. So students, this question is important. Maybe in the examination, centralization and decentralization, this will ask in short bits also. So important questions from unit 5, long questions. Then question number 2, what is delegation of authority? Explain the barriers in delegation of authority. This is 100% important. Explain the differences between formal and informal organization. This is also very important. And this formal and informal organization maybe you will get in short bits also. So unit 5, 3 questions I am sharing with you under long questions. Now on screen you can see short questions from unit 5. Under that, first is delegation of authority, 100% important. Power, that is also important. Authority versus responsibility, very important. And control. So 4 questions under unit 5 short questions. So these questions are very important. Delegation of authority is very important, and authority versus responsibility is also very important. Power is also very important. So students, these are the important questions from unit subject BOM, business organization and management, from unit 1 to unit 5. So students, like and share this video with all your friends, and share this video in your friends WhatsApp group also, because whatever questions I shared in this video, that is 100% important. Definitely you will get in your semester examination from these questions only. After watching this video, definitely you will get 80 by 80 in your upcoming semester examination. So share this video with all your friends. And students, if you are new to my channel, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that future notifications related to my future videos will come to you directly. And students, stay connected with us, because very soon I'm going to share with you the fast recap of last minute important questions for the other subjects also. So inform your friends about the channel, about the videos and about the upcoming videos also. And students, thanks for watching the video.